Hi, this is Boynton Stew, and today I'm showing how I mounted a $10 eBay air horn on my mountain bike, which is electrical powered. I used one screw through the horn to where a reflector is usually mounted, and I used the head screw from the stem to mount the actual pressure pump. And here's how it sounds. That'll blast anybody away from my path. Squirrels. It's a lot of fun having this horn. It's out of the way, it's lightweight, and it's about 120 dB, I'm told. So for 10 bucks and one screw, you've got the whole system mounted. Boynton Stew.